Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all in your secretarial practice class 12th standard. As you can see this slide, today we are going to start the new lesson number 6. It's a letter writing lesson. So in this lesson, being a secretary, you have to be correspondence with the member. As you can see this picture has taken from your textbooks to explain you about the letter writing format. First of all, you have to write the name of the company in the capital letter at the middle of the letter. Then the register office of the company, which should be mentioned properly with the pin code in the middle. Then next one is SIN number. It is a compulsory, you have to write your SIN number. SIN number means corporate identification number. This number should be right in the correct format. It is started with the U. U means unlisted company or listed company. If you think that you are going to write about the listed company, then you have to mention L instead of U. Otherwise, you can write the U, unlisted company. Remaining 5 digits from this series given by the ROC to the company to know about the type of the industry. Another 2 digit is related to the state code, which is given by the ROC to know about the state of the company. Next 4 digit given to the company to know about the establishment of the company. Another 3 digit specify about the type of the company, like public company, private company, one person company, government company. And the 6 digit given by the ROC to the company for the identification. Now come to the main part of the letter writing. On the left side, you have to write the phone number, fax number, as well as the reference number. Reference number is a reference for the documentation. So this series can be changed, not necessary, you have to write as it is. On the right side, you have to mention the website of the company, email of the company, and the date of the letter. When you are writing a letter, whenever you are writing a letter, you have to mention the date. Next point, you have to mention the name also. Whenever you are communicating, you have to mention the name to whom you are going to write the letter, and you should mention the address also with the particular PIN number. Main part, this subject will be related to the letter content. So here we are taking a content related to issue of the share certificate. Next part, you have to write with the respected person, dear sir, and the paragraph will be right according to the content. So being a secretary, you are informing to the member to know him about the share certificate and the approval of the share by the company. So this is to be inform you that as per the request application number may be changed. It's not necessary, you have to write it down 50. I am here, that means the secretary is here and authorized to issue a share certificate. To whom? To the member. The share certificate will be delivered to the person within the 15 days of this letter to the register address which is mentioned in the company's register. So what you have to write in this paragraph, you have to just give the approval of the allotment, and you have to inform that the certificate is going to be allotted on behalf of the application number, and this certificate will be sent to the particular person to the particular address. The next point related to the detail of issue of the share certificate. So you have to make a 4 column. The heading will be like folio number, share certificate number, distinctive number, and the total number of the share. Folio number, again it is an identification number, given number to the investor to know about the security holding of a particular person. Share certificate number, it should be mentioned, it is compulsory. Documentation number is compulsory. Distinctive number column from and to, that means company have to specify the number of the holding by the share. Here The person is holding the share from 301 to 400 and the total number of the share holding by the person. At the last, you have to give the assurance to the member. That means it shall always be our efforts. Endeavor means efforts to provide the best service by the company at all the time. At the last, you have to write the thanking you yours faithfully with the company name and the sign of the secretary. So you have to do the practice for the letter writing so you can learn the content, and the format will remain same for writing each and every letter. So thank you for watching. If you feel any difficulty to write about your letter, you can confirm with me.